welcome to the fourth meeting of study group, and we will present our topic and to discuss about our topic. My topic is about reading, the importance of daily reading in our life.
Shopping and buying things.
Managing stress as students. My topic is about friendship.
Okay, let's start from me. The importance of daily reading. Reading is one of 4 skills in English we should achieve and we should learn with reading. But in daily reading, if you read something like text, article, books, or whatever, it can improve your vocabulary. The more you read, the more new word that you learn naturally. For example, like you're watching movies or reading an article, that something that you read vocabulary that you don't know, you can write it in your books. And also, daily reading can expand your knowledge, such as book article that I said before, that gives so much information. And also it can enhance our focus, because people nowadays using TikTok or some social media that lower our attention span, because TikTok only have a 30 up to 60 seconds video, and we also skip that. Reading will or enhance our attention span. And also some people said that reading help reduce their stress, because it find comfort and relaxation when they reading interesting materials. For some people, especially not for me. That's all for me. Next.
Shopping and buying things. Shopping and buying things is practical because it reflects our real life. Communication that happen in daily situation. Whether students are buying groceries, clothes, or eating out, and so on. And why this topic is very important, because this topic can make students understand about management of money management, because they are so many friends, they can manage their money, and when they get money from his mother or his father, they will pay his waste for something that is very useless thing, like top up game, like drum, and so on.
Managing stress as students. Being a student is not always easy. We have homework, exam, presentation, and sometimes personal problems. Stress can affect our studies and motivation if we don't Let's appreciate the people who show up for us, and more importantly, let us also become the kind of friend who makes life better for others. Friendship is one of life's greatest gifts. When we cherish it, we make our journey warm and more meaningful.
Okay, that's all from us in fourth meeting of study group. I'm talking about the reading, daily reading, and talking about shopping or buying things. But simply talking about how to overcome stress, and Krista talking about friendship. There's a nice presentation from us. Thank you.
Like and subscribe.